Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI MEG 342C QD-OLED curved gaming display. So friend, the MEG 342C QD-OLED is a 34.18-inch ultra-wide quad high-definition curved gaming display with a resolution of 3440 into 1440 dots, and friend, the estimated price is around 1400 euro and it will be available to purchase. And friend, it has an organic EL panel that utilizes quantum dot technology to provide a high speed response time of 0.1 millisecond and refresh rate of 175 Hz, and it also features DisplayHDR True Black 400 that can express jet black, making it perfect for gamers, and it supports the top AMD FreeSync Premium Pro technology, and the gaming display features night vision to improve visibility in dark scenes, a KVM switch that allow you to switch keyboards, mice and displays between two PCs, 65-watt USB PD that can charge a notebook PC seamlessly, anti-flicker to reduce screen flickering, and hardware blue light cut that cuts the blue light without changing the color. And friend, the MEG 342C QD-OLED has a curvature of 1800 R, color gamut of 100% sRGB, AdobeRGB 97.8%, DisplayPort coverage of 99.3%, maximum display color of about 1073 million colors, brightness of 250 cadmium per meter square, and contrast ratio of 10 lakh gem 1 and 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angle. And the interface include HDMI 2.1 into 1, DisplayPort 1.4 into 1, USB Type-C into 1, USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A into 4, USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type B into 1, headphone output into 1, and mic output. And friend, audio combo jack, and the stand supports -5 to 20-degree tilt and 100 mm height adjustment. And friend, the G32C4X also set to release on 27th April. It is a 31.5-inch full high definition curved gaming liquid crystal display with a curvature of 1500 R and estimated price is 340 euro. And friend, the liquid crystal panel is a VA method and response speed is 1 millisecond and the refresh rate is 250 Hz, and it supports AMD FreeSync Premium technology, and it has an sRGB coverage rate of 97.72%, DisplayPort coverage rate of 91%, maximum display color of 1073 million colors, brightness of 300 cadmium per meter square, and contrast ratio of 3000 gem 1, and horizontal and vertical viewing angle of 178 degrees. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.